Hello everyone, hope you're all doing well. So, do you want to know about Fresh Wolf reviews? So, here we are going to update you with this unbiased review in this video. So, please stay connected with us. And if you wish to buy any product from this site, then please do watch this video. And if you've already experienced any fraud over this website, or if you have not received the product or got a damaged product, then please do watch this video till the end so that we can show you the way to get your money back. So please stay tuned with us. So people from the United States are very curious to know about this site. So guys, make sure to watch the full video and do not skip any part of it. Now we'll check this website. So this website is an online shopping site which deals with hair care products and body care products. They offer different kind of hair care and body care products, so you can check this out by yourself by visiting to their official site. So here in their main homepage, they have offered their products. As you can see, they have offered shampoo, conditioner and body wash. So you can check this out. So next, if you want to know about their payment method, they have not given it here separately. For that, you have to go to the checkout zone. So we have checked and we have found out that this website accepts PayPal, Google Pay and ShopPay. So next, we'll check the shipping policy. So here they have given it. So they mentioned that they ship their products within 3 to 5 business days. And they also ship products internationally, which takes 6 to 8 weeks. But guys, before going further, it is requested from you all to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And also please do share your viewpoints in the comment section. Now let's talk about the alleged messy factors with the help of which you can judge whether this website is a legit or a scam site. So this website is protected through HTTPS protocol and SSL integration to keep the details and transactions safe, which is a good sign of this website. Now talking about the domain information, this website was registered on 7th of July 2018 and it is going to expire on 7th of July 2022, which means it is a quite old website. So now if we want to know about their About Us details, this website does not have any About Us page section. So next we'll check the contact details. Also, if you go to their contact details, you will find out that this website has not provided their contact information out here. So if you want to know about their contact details, you have to go to the privacy policy page section, scroll it down till the end, and they have given it here. So here they have provided the email address and the physical address. But we have checked the physical address and the physical address seems suspicious because they have only given the shipping facility. There is some kind of shipping facility out there and it seems like it is not their own address. But the email address name does match the domain name, so this can be taken as a positive sign. Now, if you want to know about their social media presence, so we have checked and we have found out that this website does have social media presence over Facebook and on Instagram. Also on Instagram, they have over 1,000 followers and on Facebook, they have only 93 followers. So now we are going to check the return and refund policy. So about the return policy, they have said that their policy does not allow for any returns due to sanitary issues. And if your return have been approved, they will send your money back within 14 business days. So guys, please do comment about your experience in return or refund of the product. For return or refund issues, check out description area. There you will find the link through which you can solve your money issues. Now talking about the Fresh Wolf reviews, we have found some reviews on Amazon with a 3.8 rating. And they are both mixed reviews, so you can check this out. And the TrustSnake score of this website is 76% and the business trust ranking is 75.4%, which is very good. And the content quality also seems fine. So guys, in the conclusion of the Fresh Wolf reviews, this website appears to be a legit website. It is a quite old website. It has got reviews and social media presence and they've also provided their address and the trust score is very good. So it is a legit website. But we also recommend you to make a right decision after exploring well. So guys, if this review is helpful for you, then please do comment your thoughts about this video. We are always active in answering your comments. Also, do like, share and subscribe to our channel and have a nice day.